Somebody probably might ask that does Demi go shopping at all for new clothing, because she's always shopping from her closet. Yes, lady, I do. But on my mission, my goal on this channel is to show you how many ways you can restyle what you already have in your closet. The only time I will go shopping is it's whenever I check my closet, and if I don't have what will fit the occasion in my closet, I will go ahead and shop. But if not, I'm going to restyle that outfit. I will restyle it multiple ways, different ways. I will make sure I enjoy my hard-earned money. That is my mission, my goal on this channel. Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. Happy holiday. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support from January. I thank you all so much for your love. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for everything. May the Lord bless you. Alright, ladies, so today's video I am going to be showing you probably have this. I always like to say this. You probably have some of this in your closet already, because some of them are staple. Alright, staple item that most of us we own in our closet. And if you don't have it, ladies, you can go ahead and shop. But before we do that, let's check our closet first. You probably own something similar. With that being said, today's video it's all about what to wear to the office for the holiday party. You probably have some of this in your closet before. Some of you might think that you cannot wear leggings to a holiday party. I am going to show you how you can style it and look very elegant and more modest in it. Because it's a holiday party for the office doesn't mean that you should go there boring, and at the same time it does not mean that you should look like you're going to a club. You still want to look put together, because think about it, it's still office party anyway, it's still work related. So you want to look all put together as much as you can. You don't want to be the person that will go back to office after holiday and people are giving you that look like, did she just put that on? Did you see everything? Her pants lines, did you see all her body shape was just out there? The clothes was just too tight. Nobody wear bodycon to office party. Ladies, I'm going to show you the type of bodycon that you can wear to a office party that is still very, very appropriate. Yes, in this video I will show you leggings that you can wear and how you can dress it up. Alright, and most of the things I'm going to feature, you all probably owned them in your closet before. So without further ado, ladies, let's jump right into today's video. The first outfit that I'm going to be presenting is something that I feel like you already have in your closet. It might not be the same color. I always say this because we all have different tastes when it comes to color, when it comes to style and all that. But who doesn't have a jumpsuit in their closets? Tell me who do not have jumpsuits in their closets. All I had to do is just go into my closet and pick a red jumpsuit. It's already red, it's bright color already, and you know how red can symbolizes boldness. Yeah, it's boldness, like a boss lady. All you have to do in this situation is just to tone that red down by pairing with a black shoe, not too much of blinks going, because it is a holiday party at the office and you still want to look modest. But this kind of jumpsuit that I'm wearing in this video, it's not too tight, it's not too loose, there's nothing too revealing about it. All right, most of my body parts are covered, it's just the front, and you can just adjust that front and make it more appropriate for the event.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size.
Yeah, I'm not going to recommend any kind of jumpsuit that it's like going to show like everything, that the material is very thin that you can practically see through it. I'm not going to recommend that for this kind of gathering. The next one we are moving on to is a tube dress. Who does not have a tube dress in their closet? It might be different color, different texture, but we all own this. And people will think that you can't wear tube dress to office party because it's open at the upper part of your body, that your upper part of your body will be exposed. Yeah, we can. All you have to do in this situation is look for another jacket that is party related, holiday related. You just pop it on top of it, depending on your preference and style. In this situation, I'm going to be using this red blanket. You all know I love blinks. Yeah, I do love blinks, and this is my favorite time of the year. So I pop this blink jacket on top of it that I purchased on Temu. Yes, and it fits so perfectly. All right, ladies, this is how I will pair this. Get your tube dress and pair with a jacket that is party related, and you're all good to go. Tone down your shoes and your accessories and you're all good to go.
Me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love.
For the next outfit, for those of us that we don't really like blings and we right because it's office gathering and you don't want to do blings, that is too much, I would recommend maybe you would look for something like a, you know, maybe if it's too cold too, you can do like a sweater that has a little bit of blings on it. It's not too pronouncing, and I'm going to go ahead and pair this turtleneck sweater with a touch of silver blings on it, and I would pair it with this two dress and style it to make it look appropriate for the party at the same time.
That we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.
And the next one I'm going to be talking about, if you have two pieces in your closet, which I believe you will have it, like as a vest and a pants, you can pair that with a turtleneck that has a little bit of blings, or any top of your choice that has this that gives you that party vibes. In this situation, I'm going to be using red. You know, red again, it symbolizes boldness, and it's more fun when you wear red during this holiday season, and it just go with the symbol of the holidays, just on a period, right? So I'm going to be styling this two-piece this way to make it look very appropriate for a party.
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey.
Ladies, if you're still watching my video up until this time, if this is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and please do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please like this video, leave me comments in the comment section, let me know your thought about this video. And ladies, let's jump into the next styling. All right, so in this situation, if you remember, I made mention that if you can wear bodycon, but in this situation we're not wearing those lime loud bodycon with very thin material that you're going to see everything. This time around I'm going to be styling a sweater dress, also is red. Just excuse me, please pardon me, I'm doing a lot of red here. Those are the things I own in my closet, and I'll be styling this sweater. It's bodycon, but at the same time it's thick, and it does not have that kind of effect that when you wear a bodycon, that kind of effect that you will see all the contour and everything going on. This is a thicker version, and it will keep me warm. So I will go ahead and pair with a tweed like jacket to make it look more formal and more party like, because the tweeted jacket that I'm using has a little bit of shining going on it.
Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year.
Ladies, I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video, this might be the last video for the year from me. The long video, that's what I'm trying to say, long video. I probably will be posting shorts, and please do engage my shorts when you see my shorts. I'm going to be taking break for from the second week of December, all right, to spend time with family, and I will come back fully back to YouTube by the grace of God after the holiday for long video. I'm still going to be posting short videos, and please, whenever you come across my short videos, please engage them by liking them, and if you have the time, you can leave me a comment. I will surely respond back. Thank you all so much for your support. The next one, again, I said, who does not have black on black suit in their closet? Yes, we wear those ones regularly to work, you know, but in this situation I'm going to be pairing with a blank like what I have in here right now. I'm going to be pairing this with that black on black, and I will put a matching shoe that will go with this to be in the party mood, and carry a silver purse also to get into the party mood, instead of, you know, the regular way that I will wear it. I wouldn't wear this camisole on a regular day, but be party for the holiday season, for the office, so I'll put this on just to tone it down and make my regular black on black suits look like a party kind of outfit. Also, remember I made mention that you can wear leggings. Yes, but the appropriate way I would recommend to wear leggings, the kind of leggings that I'm going to be featuring, it's not your regular see-through leggings or the ones you wear to the gym, or ones you wear to do errands. This is very appropriate for holiday because it has the glitter thing going on and it's not too loud in your face. In this situation, I'm pairing it with another in your face a little bit, to just to make it look like they are two-piece, but the difference is that what I'm wearing, you cannot see anything, you know, at the front of my, you know, you can't see my, you know, my girls, my area, you can't see, you know what I'm talking about, how people will wear leggings and you can actually see through, you know, see everything bulging out. But this situation, this long sweater that I'm wearing is from Michael Kors. I think it covered everything and it goes perfectly, and I tone it down with just black, plain black shoe and plain black purse. So for the next outfit, is still our regular office outfit. Whenever it's colder season, when it's cold, we wear turtleneck and, you know, pants. This situation is black on black at the same time. It's a black pants with a turtleneck which is black, but the difference here is I'm going to wear a blazer that is party like, and I will tone it down with my accessories.
There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the
And for my ladies that would like to do a skirt, I do have a skirt that I'm going to show you to give you an idea. You know, this skirt already has blinks at the front, nothing at the back, but what I'm going to do to tone it down and make it very appropriate for the office party, for the holiday, is I'm going to pair it with a plain black turtleneck or plain black top, just to tone it down. And also I will tone the blinks, all the blinks going on, I will tone it down with the accessories and shoes that I'm going to be wearing, and the purse, you know, all our accessories, right? I'm going to tone it down with accessories. Ladies, can we all agree that white, it's also holiday party outfit idea? Yes, in this situation I'm going to be styling this two-piece. Also is a vest and a pants. I'm going to be styling it to make it appropriate for the holiday. It's white on white, but I'm going to style it in a way that it's going to fit in very well for the holiday, with a touch of red here and there, and make it very appropriate for the holiday party.
children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small.
Ladies, I've already told you in this video, it's all about what you have in your closet already, and if you do not have all these things I featured, you can go ahead and purchase. But I'm just showing you that you can really restyle what you already own in your closet for the holiday, you know, for the holiday party, especially the office party. All right, now this dress from 72 ways to style it. I also restyle it just to show you how you can actually wear that to a party the way I style it. Or is it long enough? So I made it more modest by pairing it with the leggings, and I wore a boot under it, a shiny, of course, a patent leather boot, so that it could fit into the theme of the party. All right, ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video by the grace of God next year. Happy holiday.